In this video, I will show you step by step how we can enable dark mode on Facebook just in few seconds. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So what you need to do first, you just need to open your Facebook account like this. Go to your Facebook homepage and click over here on your Facebook profile picture, okay? And click over here on setting and privacy, okay? Like this. Click again on setting and you will be directly in this page over here. Okay, so what you will do, you will scroll down over here, okay, and keep scrolling down, go to and click over here on dark mode, okay, like this. And here you go, click over here on off and select on, okay, like this. And here you go, that's how you can enable Facebook dark mode in your account just in few seconds. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.